Hi friends, welcome. I am Rohini. Today in this segment I would like to discuss few things about retail marketing. Well friends, retail is one of the most important function and it is the reason why most of the retailers are in the market to sell their products and gain the profit from it. Looking at the agenda, today I am gonna say few words about meaning and definition of retail marketing, evolution of retail industries, characteristics of retailing, classification of retailing. Coming to the meaning and definition of retailing, it relates same where retailing means directly sells the goods and services to the customers. Friends, let's talk about how retail industry evolved from traditional to modern time. Barter system was the first kind of anything retail. Barter means give and take. Where farmers started out their retail industry, they used to barter few cattle for few sheep. That is the barter system where it starts. Followed by nearby stores where we would run for neighborhood stores to buy things. It is a seller's market till this point of time with the limited number of brands as there was no too much of competition and there was only two or more sellers selling the same thing. In 1990s there was shift from manufacturers to pure retailers, hence it opens the door to retail industries in India. Now let's talk about characteristics of retailing. Direct contact with the customers means retailer involves direct contact with the customers and they are the mediator between the wholesaler and the customers. Sells the goods at minimum price means it involves selling the goods directly to the customers. It maximizes the price of product. Stock goods of different brands according to the demand in the market. Retailers usually stock different goods of different brand according to the customers needs. Relationship with the customers, there will be a good bonding between the customers and the retailers where retailers help them to decide which product and service they should choose for themselves. Next, let's discuss about classification of retailing. Classification of retailing are divided into three types: store-based, non-store-based, and service-based. Store-based. Store-based are divided into two types: owner-based retailing, merchandise-based retailing. Store-based means retailing takes place inside the shops and stores where it requires only little amount of place to run the business. Ownership based retailing. Ownership based retailing means own and manage the business by themselves as it requires little amount of space to run the business. There are many types of ownership based retailers. They are independent retailers. Independent retailer means who owns and runs the business with the help of family support, as we have saw bookstores, stationaries, Xerox shops near our home. That is independent retailers. Next type is chain store. Chain store means same business in different location, as we have saw McDonald's in different location in Metropole, KD Road. That is chain store. Next type is franchises. Franchises means investing our money in the system to utilize the brand name, as everyone in the system are licensed to use the brand name and operates the system. Franchisee means is a person who receives the rights to use the franchisor business name, models, trademark, etc. Your franchisor means is a owner of the business that provides the products or services. Next type is consumer cooperative stores. A consumer cooperative store is an organization owned, managed and controlled by consumers themselves. Its main objective is to reduce the middleman. Merchandise based retailing means variety of products available for sale at one large place. There are many types of merchandise based retailing. They are convenience store. It is located near our house. They meet day to day needs of customers like milk, food items, etc. Next type is supermarket. As everyone have visit supermarket, it is a large retail where we get necessary food items, vegetables, fruits, etc. Shopping is easy in supermarket as we get reasonable price. It attracts large number of consumers. Next type is hypermarket. Hypermarket means it is a big retail. Under one roof, it tries to satisfy consumers by discounting, by giving offers, and there will be variety of products and choices. Customer can get everything at one place. Next type is specialty stores. Specialty stores means it is a retail business. It sells office supplies like men, women materials, sports materials, children materials, etc. Next type is departmental store. Departmental store is a large retail where there will be a number of departments in the same building as shown in the picture. We do not supply perishable items like fruits, vegetables, etc. Next type is factory outlet. Factory outlet is a retail store where, like in Bata showroom, we can see many discounts, offers, and quality of the materials, etc. That is factory outlet. Next type is catalog showroom. Catalog showroom means they deal with jewelry, electronics as they do not display. Catalog is placed in the showroom. Customers has to tick the code number and hand it over to the manager. From warehouse it will be delivered to the consumers. Next one is non-store based retailing. Retailing in which sales are made to the customer without using physical stores, like direct selling and distance selling. Direct selling means selling the product directly to the consumers. This system eliminates several middlemen. The process of direct selling is product goes from the manufacturer to the direct company, from company to the distributors, and from distributors to the consumers. Distance selling means where one can sit at home and order the product through online and get it to the doorsteps of home. It saves times, energy. Next type is automated vending. Automated vending is a retailing where machine is used to sell retail products, where we have saw automatic vending in supermarkets and hypermarkets where goods are sold through this machine. Examples like milk, butter, juice, ice creams, etc. Next one is service based retailing, where retailers will provide services to ultimate customers. These services includes banking, taxi, cooking gas, etc. These are the classification of retailing. At last, some of the examples of retail industries are Big Bazaar, More, Reliance, Vishal Mart, Pathalons, etc. Hope you guys understood. I'm ending the section. Thank you.